Hey, what's going on? It's Low Flow Nose back at you with another tech take, and today we're taking a look at the Loatme R8 wireless microphone system that you can use for karaoke, churches, I don't know, high school games, anything where you need wireless microphones. This could be an ideal solution for you. This comes with two wireless UH microphones, dynamic microphones at that, and I gotta tell you, I can't wait to share the results of this because they actually sound pretty good. Let's get straight to the unboxing. All right, so inside of the box, of course, you'll have your instructions on how to set it up. It's very simple. You're gonna see the setup happening right now. Let's put this off to the side. You have two slip stoppers that come for each microphone. You get 4 AA batteries inside of the box, 2 batteries for each microphone. You have your AC cord to, well, power your receiver for your microphone. Okay, you have a 1/4-inch cable that will go to your receiver, and this will plug into maybe like your mixer or maybe a speaker. In this example, I'm going to be connecting to an audio interface so you can hear exactly the sound quality of this wireless microphone kit. I could connect it to a speaker, but I don't think it really gives you like true representation of how it would actually sound. So we're going this way. Okay, you get 2 wireless microphones, as I said before earlier. Okay, you have a red one and a black one, so of course you know which one is which. When you open it up, see that you can just slide your batteries right in here. And of course, that's for both. And you also have this mesh grill here as well. And inside there, you have kind of like you have some padding as it works as a windshield to help with plosives when you're recording. I'll let you know right now, I do wish it came with an additional popper here. While it does great as a dynamic microphone, rejecting sound, I feel like it could do better when it comes to actually rejecting plosives. If you have some additional covers for there, or you want to keep it kind of like away from there, I'd recommend doing that, but I'm just letting you know in advance. And of course, we have our audio receiver right here. Okay, you've got your power button, you have your volume knob for mic A and mic B. You have your 2 antennas for your set, and of course your mix out here. Of course, this goes into your audio interface, your mixer or speaker directly, and you have your power input right there. So okay, so let's set this up. Take the power cord, plug it in. Let's give this some power. I forgot and I forgot one more set of accessories. You have your antennas that you're going to put in the back. So, that's 2. Right, I'm not going to put this on because I'm not going to drop the microphones. Let's go ahead and put our batteries inside. Then we'll take our 1/4-inch wire. I will plug it into the mix out here and into my audio interface with a micro line in there. Just keep in mind, since this is a dynamic microphone, you don't need phantom power to power these microphones or the set. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's take a closer look let's turn this on and we'll turn our mics on. Okay, so the black mic is mic A, red mic is mic B, and we can see right here how the display shows our frequency for each microphone. We see that we're both connected by little Wi-Fi signals there, show that A and B are connected, and yeah, we're good to go. And of course, we can adjust the levels of the microphone as well. So let's get straight to the sound test. Okay, and this is what your wireless karaoke microphone system sounds like, and I'm pretty sure off the bat you'll notice just how impressive, how rich, how dynamic these microphones actually sound for a wireless, especially for a karaoke, wedding, a church, whatever it is that you need this for. I'm sure you'll be pretty impressed on how nice these microphones actually sound. Another thing is they do a great job as far as rejecting sound. If you see when I turn this microphone away from my mouth, you'll see how much my voice just drops off completely. So it's good to know that when this microphone is pointing to your mouth, it's just focusing on your mouth. Why is that a good thing? Well, of course, you don't want feedback from, let's just say if you have monitors or speakers, you don't want the microphone picking up the speaker and then all of a sudden you have that weird whoop, and then it's just like everybody's like, ah. That's a great reason to have a dynamic microphone like this because it just focuses on your voice and it rejects any kind of outside noise, so it's not affecting it. You're not having weird annoying echoes or feedback like I was mentioning earlier. It just does a good job on focusing on your voice. And again, you have two of these bad boys, so you and a friend can just sing your hearts out, commentate on sports, or duo together as far as a church, high school games, whatever it is, whatever you need this for. You got some good microphones that gives you a good, clean audio signal from the mic to the receiver, to your recording device, or to your speaker. Now, one thing that I do want to mention, as much as I want to give an honest take on this microphone kit, as well as impressed I am from the sound quality of these microphones, I feel like it's a bit sensitive when it comes to plosives. So plosives are when you have the put, b, 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 p, p, p. You have that pocket of air just kind of exploding on the microphone. I feel like it's kind of sensitive to that. So you're gonna have to be on top of it on the way how you're actually speaking to the microphone. So instead of speaking directly into it, you may want to kind of you may actually want to just bring it down right here so the air is passing right over the microphone. It might change the sound of what you're hearing, but at least you're getting more clearer, faithful audio that's not going to distort. Like I said in the beginning of the video, maybe you want to get some additional pop filters above it so you can, put this directly on your mouth and not worry about the plosives. Let me give you one more test. I'm going to do a white noise test. You can how well this rejects outside noise. All right, so right now I have the white noise playing in the background. You can probably hear it and also my voice as well, but just listen to the difference when I bring it right back to my mouth and how it just focuses and my voice is the only thing that's present. You may still hear in the background, but it's doing a good job of not making it equal to my voice or kind of being an annoying distraction. Yeah, it's there, but you're just hearing what you need to hear, and that's a great job feature of these wireless microphones. Again, and I'm going to say it again, karaoke, churches, high school games, or whatever it is when you need a wireless microphone on a speaker, broadcasting to a crowd, or just recording on an audio interface as well, this does a good job. All right, that's it for the Loatme dual wireless microphone kit. Really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own dual wireless microphone kit. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.